The facts of the case are like that.
Hmm.
But the state government has framed a rule.
Hmm.
The Chhattisgarh School Education Service Recruitment and Promotion Rules
Hmm.
2019. Copy of rule, my lord, will find at page 21, my lord, annexure P3. Annexure P3, my lord, the relevant, my lord, page number 23.
Page number
23.
23.
3.
Hmm.
So, my lord, this rule prescribes, my lord, Rule 6, method of recruitment.
Recruitment on the post of.
My lord, assistant teacher, my lord. My lord, the rule, may read that, my lord, rule, method of recruitment. Recruitment of the service after commencement of this rule shall be made on the following method. Now, first one, my lord, by direct recruitment through
This is the
selection.
rule of 2019.
19.
Is there any amendment in this rules?
No, my lord.
Is,
With respect to 6A, my lord, and the schedule, there is no such amendment.
uh,
Now, by direct
recruitment
through
through
selection,
selection.
competitive examination, interview, and the limited department examination. Now, my lord, the schedule. Schedule to Rule 6, my lord, start at page number 36. And the relevant would be, my lord, page 40.
Who are you? Who are you?
There is no selection, my lord, whatsoever. The order has been passed. They are the candidates whose, my lord, candidature has already been, their services terminated as assistant teacher, my lord, having
But they are saying that he is saying that they are the selected candidate.
No. उसको क्या कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्ट रिक्रूटमेंट के पोस्ट में बाय वे ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट द candidate who has been, their services has been issued terminated by the order passed by the division bench of this honorable court.
दीजिए इनको कॉपी दीजिए.
मतलब इट में भी टुमारो मतलब मैं 16 तारीख से मेंशन करके लगवाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. एक माइलोड आई विल गिव हिम माइलोड टुडे इटसेल्फ. नो 9/6 का ऑर्डर है दैट इज सब्जेक्ट टू चैलेंज माइलोड एनेक्चर P2. 13/6 माइलोड आई फाइल्ड द रिट पिटीशन.
तो कॉपी दीजिए आप, ये लेते हैं.
26 को खत्म हो जाएगा उनका जो कमेटी बनाए हैं, स्क्रूटनी कमेटी बनाए हैं, विच इज अंडर चैलेंज माइलोड. द लास्ट डेट इज 26 माइलोड. प्रायर टू दैट माइलोड एनी डेट.
26 के पहले तो फिर 25 को लगाए
माइलोड.
यस मिस्टर मनु, यू आर फर्स्ट.
I have made an application also research. But in fact, these are the cases in my road. I will just take 5 minutes. But these are the cases where what has happened. That the petitioners who are the interveners before the court, they were appointed on the post of
Assistant teacher, interveners.
Interval.
in various schools. There are about 2,000.
When they have been appointed?
2,620.
When they have been appointed?
2020. Subsequently, what has happened, my lord, the advertisement was issued. When the advertisement was issued, my lord, the rule provides that the candidate who is holding the BA degree is
ये वही वाला मैटर है क्या? मिस्टर मजूमदार हैज मेंशनड दैट मैटर.
नहीं वो नहीं,
उसी से
रिलेटेड माइलोड.
Then what happened?
माइलोड
Then what happened?
एक मिनट.
Then what happened? That on the date of the advertisement, there was specific rule under 2019 that the candidate who is possessing the BA degree could also be eligible for appointment on the post of teacher. There was in circular 225. That amendment was challenged and the virus was challenged before the honorable court. But this BA degree and requisite qualification was there not in the entire country, but in the different states where the one of the matters came up for consideration for the division bench. Ultimately, the division bench has struck down that and said that the BA qualification would not be a requisite qualification. It only BA. And ultimately, the orders were passed with regard to that. Matter tabled up. Supreme Court was already considering the matter with regard to the same issue of all over other states. Supreme Court said that no, BA qualification cannot be held to be requisite qualification, and it is only
appointed on the basis of B.Ed degree.
B.Ed degree, and especially my lord, when these rules were in existence and that B.Ed degree was there in the rules of 2019 because it was struck down and declared ultra virus subsequent to her. Now these 2,620.
Is there any direction with respect to the teachers who have already been appointed?
Then what happened? Supreme Court has fixed the cutoff that any candidate who was appointed prior to this cutoff date, his services will be protected. So for the other candidates who were appointed after that cutoff date, their services cannot be. Now the situation before the state government was that 2,621 assistant teachers were at street. Their family members, because ultimately they were appointed, they were not at fault.
Whether they came under the cutoff date or not?
Their
their services
their
have been
services have
terminated.
been terminated. Had it been a case when I would have come within the cutoff date, it would not have been. Then all these 2,621 candidates approached the state, and the state has also taken a policy decision. The state said that there are 4,422 posts are lying vacant in the state.
The
Now the
post
state
post
will-
is
state
वहीं पे
will
इंटरप्रेट
evaluate-
करना पड़ेगा. The post is assistant teacher laboratory science background.
4,422 posts were filled. The government said that instead of throwing out all these 2,621 candidates, ultimately their family members are also involved. It would have the far-reaching consequences of their termination. The state said that we will protect the services, but we cannot protect the services against the assistant teacher because now the Supreme Court said that we are not right. Then the state has formed the committee of the 5 members, and they have taken a policy decision with the certain terms and conditions. It is not a blanket order with certain terms and conditions. And government has taken a policy decision that out of 4,422 posts, these persons, assistant teacher, Prayogshala, they will be accommodated against those.
Assistant teacher
1,000
laboratory.
They were accommodated again, and there are certain conditions that you are required to pass out. This you are required to obtain. that.
Even if you are
तो वो
not
जो
Now, the petitioner before this court panel, he is they are one of some of the aspirants. There are 2 or 3 persons who filed a petition. They are the aspirants. What they are saying that suppose if teachers would have been assistant teachers who are at seat and the policy decision has been taken by the government to accommodate them. Suppose if they would have been accommodated against that post, their chances of appointment, because they have a right to be appointed against that post, that will be deteriorated. They are only aspirants. The first question is to be before the court would have been of challenging the
policy decision of the state.
policy decision of the state. My lord, there are the judgment to the extent of 2025 Supreme Court judgment, my lord, that the aspirant has the right, and the state government, my lord, if the procedure has been adopted, suppose, my lord, rule has been framed under Article 309, my lord, can a matter of policy decision, the post which has been, my lord, vacant, reserved for, my lord, that it has to be direct recruitment, my lord, can be filled by policy decision. This is the main issue, my lord, in this petition. So far as locus, my lord, I will address on that also.
You please supply the copy of the
My
caveat
lord,
and 25.
25th it may be fixed, my lord.
हाँ ये
You are top of the list, my lord, otherwise.
नहीं टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट में आ जाएगा मेंशन कर दीजिएगा आ जाएगा.
is complaint about the celebrated judgment of Supreme Court arising out of the Chhattisgarh instance, where these Balco's employees filed a petition under Article 2.
I will, my lord, counter that, my lord, whatever the locus of that intervener, my lord, right now, still may be.
As Mr. Srivastava said, that ultimately suppose the decision would be struck down. For a moment, for the sake of argument, who would be the affected party? There is a judgment of Supreme Court. We will address on this issue on that.
Yes.
If it on 20.
Mr. Saurabh Sharma, London Council for the petitioner. Mr. S.P. Kale, Additional Advocate General for respondent number. Respondents. Mr. Manoj Karante and Mr. Ajay Srivastava. Mr. Amrito Das, London Council appearing for the caveators. Next, London Council for the caveators, Mr. कॉपी आपको मिल गई मिस्टर दास. मिस्टर अजय श्रीवास्तव and counsel appearing for the caveat has submit that though he has filed his caveat, but the copy has not been received by him and his name is also not shown in the shortlist. Therefore, the petitioner may be directed to supply a copy of the petition so that he may put up his case before court. Next, on the submissions made by the council for the excavator. On the submissions made by Mr. Ajay Srivastava on the council appearing for the excavator, the petitioner is directed to supply one extra copy to him during the course of the day. List is on 25th of June 2020